How to create a scrolling website mockup using Canva. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a scrolling website mockup using Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Canva, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva, it is a user-friendly online graphic design platform that allows individuals and teams to create a wide range of visual content, including presentations, social media graphics, poster, flyers, and many more, in which it also offers a drag-and-drop interface and a vast library of templates, images, fonts, and design elements, making it accessible even to users without professional design experience. So now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description, or after signing in, you will be directed on this page. And now to proceed creating in here a scrolling website mockup, you can proceed by simply clicking the search bar to find a specific kind of template. And since we're trying to create here a website, I'm going to click website. And after that, below here, it will show you a variety of templates of website that you can choose from. However, I'm going to choose to create a blank. By clicking on it, you should be directed on this page where you can start creating from scratch. You can proceed by going on the left side panel to find the specific mockups in here. You could also click the element section and just go to the search bar in here. And for example, I'm going to enter or search mockup. And you should be able to see all of the mockups. But in this option, I'm going to choose, for example, this PC. And after that, you could also change the background color by clicking this color palette on the top panel. While on the left side panel, just simply choose here the color that you prefer. For example, I'm going to choose this one, or you could also click this one, for example. And now to proceed, we could also click or choose another kind of mockups. For example, instead of mockups, I'm going to choose an images of PC. Upon searching on it, you can simply go to the photos or graphic section. But I'm going to add here more slide or section in here. For example, under these photos, I'm going to choose this one. By clicking on it, it will automatically be reflected in here. You can even add or make it, for example, in a full size. So as you can see, it is basically what it looks like. And after that, we could also add here more slide, for example, or pages on our website. And I'm going to add this here, which is this image of a PC. So basically, you can simply choose here by clicking on it to automatically be dragged or directed on your Canva in here. So this is basically what it looks like. And now to start adding here the scrolling website, we could also proceed by going or clicking or choosing on this element section the picture frame that we can add to resize within this image and or the mockups. You could also change the location of it depending on your preferences. But now I'm going to choose image, and from there the frames, just choose here the kind of frames that you prefer. And in those options, from here I'm going to search image, square, and click this one. For example, I'm going to click any of this, which is, for example, this one. Upon doing so, you can simply highlight it or resize to the size of this PC. So I'm going to resize this one to this to make it a natural looking for a PC design. Now, as you can see, this is basically what it looks like. You could also do the same process on the other image in here by simply choosing the frames on the left side panel and resize it depending on the sizes that we can see in here in our screen. So this is basically what it looks like, in which this is basically the frames that we're going to add the scrolling website. And to start creating or adding a scrolling website, we're going to use the platform, for example, this one, which is called Loom Atlassian, which is a video messaging tool that allows users to quickly record and share videos of their screen, voice, and face to communicate ideas more effectively and asynchronously, in which it is commonly used for tutorials, product demos, team updates, and feedback, making our remote communication more personal and efficient integrated with Atlassian tools like Jira and Confluence. Loom enhances collaboration by allowing users to embed the video messages directly into the project management workflows. So basically, this is the application or the website that we're going to use to start recording a website of scrolling, in which it is also available, or you could also install this Loom using the Google extension or Chrome extension if you're using the Chrome as your browser. So basically, you can also use this website Loom to record within this website until or while you're scrolling in here. So after that, or after doing the scrolling while recording in here, the next thing that you need to do from here is to simply go back to our Canva and simply upload here by clicking the upload button on the left side panel, and simply go to the video section and upload in here from our computer files the video that we just recorded earlier. Now after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply drag it in here directly to our mockup image or this frame that we just add. So I'm just going to drag it directly in here, and this is basically what it looks like. So as you can see, it looks like that this video or scrolling is currently now within this PC of mockups. And after that, you could also do the same process on the other mockups in here listed or the other slide in here. But basically, this is the idea of it. So again, just do the same process on this page by simply dragging it directly in here and clicking on it. Now, as you can see, it is now being added in this mockup. And now to the last slide, we could also do the same process in here, which is by dragging it directly in these mockups. So basically, creating a scrolling website mockups is important because it allows designers, developers, and stakeholders to visualize the structure, flow, and user experience of a website before it is being built. And also, these mockups help simulate how users will interact with the site as they scroll, making it easier to identify design issues, plan content placement, and ensure a logical layout. And they also improve communication among team members and clients by providing a clear, interactive representation of the final product. And also, ultimately, scrolling mockups streamline the design process, reduce development errors, and lead to more user-friendly and visually cohesive websites in here. And if you're now done, just click the share button on the top right to save the changes and click the download button in here. But you could also see here under the file type, you should see here the MP4 once you have an upgrade account using this Canva. You can click the download button in here and you should see that you can choose the kind of quality in order to download that this mockup is being scrolled. So you should be able to see here under this file type. However, at this point it is currently not available, since I'm only using the website layout and also a free account. Now aside from that, it is also important for developers scrolling mockups, in which this also serves as a valuable blueprint that guides the coding process and minimizes guesswork. And for clients and stakeholders, these mockups offer a tangible preview of the final product, making it easier to gather feedback, suggestion, revisions, and align expectation early in the project. But overall, that is just basically how you can start creating a scrolling website mockup using Canva. Thank you.